15 states have now reached a deal with Purdue Pharma. They're the makers of OxyContin, and this deal could now pave the way for a possible $4.5 billion settlement for thousands of opioid cases. NBC News legal analyst Danny Ceballos joins us now. Danny, I have to say this issue is near and dear to my heart. My family's from West Virginia, and this addiction is really a crisis where we're from. Can you describe what this deal means and who really wins out here? I mean, is it the states or is it the company?
This deal's been in the making for a while, and of the 15 states and many plaintiffs involved, there's really been a lot of debate over what exactly the terms of the settlement should be. And Purdue Pharma was fighting back in its and trying to claim it through its bankruptcy proceeding that it was essentially delaying this entire process. But now it looks like there's going to be a settlement. Does everybody win? Well, look, you can't undo the scourge of opiate addiction. But at the same time, this will pump $4.5 billion into places like trusts and other places where this can actually help begin to heal, begin to cure the addiction, and begin to right the wrong. And I just have to say, as somebody who's a plaintiff's attorney and often sues companies, it's really a miracle that there's a company that's this solvent that's able to pay $4.5 billion. A lot of times in life, something awful happens to somebody and there just ain't any money to pay.
Right. And we've certainly seen that before. But I guess I want to go back to something you said about the steps being taken to help begin the healing process. I mean, just to retrack for a minute, what does this really mean for those people whose personal lives have been harmed by their addiction to OxyContin? And what does it mean in a larger sense for these communities that have completely been ravaged by the opioid crisis, especially when we look at places like Appalachia and the Midwest? What do you see there?
As you know from your hometown experience, opioid addiction is one of the nastiest kinds of addiction. As a criminal defense attorney, a lot of our criminal defendants and a lot of our jails are really converting into drug treatment centers because criminality and drug abuse and addiction go so hand in hand. And that's in large part due to the scourge, again, of opiate addiction. So for many folks who are deep in its throes, there may not be much hope. You never really, as I understand it, get back to where you were before you were an addict. But at least some of this money in trust can be put towards beginning the therapy and other processes to get better.
And I love what you said about turning into treatment centers, because you're seeing really interesting programs like in Huntington, West Virginia, for example, in Cabell County, where they're kind of doing these adjudication programs where people can seek treatment and they can avoid jail or, a criminal fine, so to speak. And it's pretty fascinating progress that we've made, I think, in this area. And this seems like one step towards it. Danny Ceballos, thank you, as always, for your time.
Thank you.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.